sure it's playing. Alright, well, this is a bike check. I hadn't done one in about a year, so I'm just going to walk you through my bike. Come here, come here. Look right there. Right there. Fly bar ends, ODI long neck grips, nitrous bars, a Hoffman stem because Cody decided to steal my Shadow one. He's a fag. Sputnik headset, nitrous forks, Sun something or another rim, I don't know, laced to a nice little hub there, I don't know what kind it is. Odyssey Path tire. Let's see here, this is a kink I think it's a whip, I don't really care. We'll say whip. Shadow pedals, blue, whatever kind of cranks those are. I'm getting new ones tomorrow. Guess I should have waited till tomorrow to do this, but oh well. A little bit late now. I don't even know what size bottom bracket I'm riding. Flip it around here. Got my good old sprocket that's warped. Back to the back wheel. I think it's a Primo hub guard, drive side, whatever. We'll say that. Stolen shackle chain that I'm surprised hadn't broke yet. Eastern birectional back hub. Nobody's ever gonna buy it from me until I break it, which I know I will. When I had the Shadow, Maxxis hookworm tire, and I think that's a stolen rim. Gold, yeah, Purdy. 2 stock pegs. I don't really care about pegs, they're pegs, it doesn't matter. Pivotal seat, don't know what kind it is, just got it because it's purple. Purple on the bottom, yeah. Matches my hub and hub guard. Stolen seat post thing, yeah. That would be, that's a DK seat clamp, and DK stands for don't know. What am I leaving out? I know it's something. Alright, maybe I didn't leave anything out. I guess you get to listen to my hub since you're lucky. Bit. Yep. I like the hub real loud. I think that's it, but this is like when I had the Shadow stem before Cody's gay self stole it. It was the best setup I had, but now that I'm riding this Hoffman side, so thank you Cody, I guess, for stealing my stem. People to thank for parts. Cody, you don't get a thank you for the stem. Zach for the front wheel. Cody for the tire. Cody, you don't get a thank you for the back rim either because you sort of flat spotted my Sun one. I would be riding 2 chrome ones, but Cody's gay and decided to throw it off a stair set. So, Zach for the cranks. I don't even know where I got this sprocket from. Cody for the frame, but screw you, you're a faggot. I don't like it. Go down in a hole somewhere. I don't care about the tire. Pegs I have forever. Everything else I guess I just ordered. Shout out to Harley. Hair bow thingamadoohickey. You see it there? Yeah. It's just there. I don't care. Of course, most important feature of my bike. Never forget it. Oh god. They don't smell that bad. Then my awesome little bow tie. Red Bull hat. Yeah, can't go wrong with Red Bull. And now I will do a 180. Of course, I'm not really going to do it now. I'll just insert one I've already got. Cut to clip.